Gagawa tayo ng bracelet. Tumba guys. Tumba siya. Oh my god. Okay. Ano ba yung tali guys? Biglang kailangan natin magputol. Puputol tayo ng tali guys. Ito. Yan yung tali natin. Meron pa siya. Ito na lang yung meron tayong tali. Sa isa na lang. Kaya kailangan tipirin. Wait lang guys. Wait lang. Hi guys. Bumalik. Wait lang. Paano kaya iputol ito? Wait lang. Parang mo ba yung putol? Kailangan guys. Matipid natin ito. Mga ilang araw. Wait lang. Nasaan ba yung gunting natin? Guys. Yan na. Nahihirapan ako guys. Hindi natin maurong. Nakabuli siya. Yan. Ngayon na ulit tayo nakapag-vlog. Ito. Yan pang mapanggawa natin. Tapos yan. Tapos ito. Ang dami pa dito guys. Isa dito. Hindi ko kasama yung kapatid ko ngayon guys. Kasi alam nyo na. Nanonood po siya sa TV. Nanonood po siya. Guys. Wait lang guys. Hindi ko kasi maano. Kailangan ulit natin gamitin yung tunggo. Tingnan to. Nakabul nga siya guys. Kailangan maputol ito bago natin siya makuha. Pero hindi pwedeng maputol guys. Kasi masisira. Yes, when ours broken. As in English. Ito guys, kasamba yung kailangan natin. Okay na to. Pagupit muna natin. Wait lang guys. Wait lang! Hindi magawa ko na po. Hindi. Kukuha tayo malaking dito. Ayan guys. Puputol na natin siya. Okay, gagawa tayong red na bracelet na lang. Tapos may pangalan na secret. Hindi naman naman. Iwan na tayo. Wait lang guys. Naririnig nyo naman ako. But I'm gonna make a bracelet for a secret. Yan yung umpisa. BR guys, BR. Wait lang din yung makita guys. Ayan, yung BR. At if you're gonna watch in English, you're gonna oh my gosh. Not all the same salita. Hindi ko alam yung English na salita, guys. Ay, talk pala to. We're gonna talk English for today. But I want today because I want Anya. 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 Ano Anya? Anya, Anya. Anya, Anya. Anya. Anya, Anya. Anya, Anya, Anya. Anya, Anya. Wait lang, guys. Okay, guys. We're back again. Sorry when I'm go away every my vlog. Sorry. Do you watch my another vlogs? My baby sister, guys, is watching. Okay, guys. And yan. That's name of Rihanna. Okay. We're gonna make a bracelet. But I say that kanina. Another try. Like an arrow in the blue sky, so Haruto, come get you, come my rogo, the shade. Yeah, like the sun, now with the come, get me. Guys, we have a new bracelet. I make this for me, for myself. This is the S with Sarah. Ate Sarah. I call him Ate Sarah. And me is a Pia. Okay. It's to Tagalog today. But I want to Tagalog. But I want to English today. Because I want. I'm back, guys. My baby sister is crying, but she's 5 years old. 9. Yes, she's not baby, as in baby, that crying. Shoulder ba yung tawag dito? She's hurt, her shoulder is hurt, but not a sugat. Okay, guys, I'm done to make this. This is the kinalabasan. Yan. Medyo malaki. Yan. Ganyan lang kaliit. Ganyan ko siya ka-small guys. Hindi naman ako tulad ng iba dyan nagko-Korea. Kaya not at Tagalog. Medyo. Medyo. As in medyo. Marunong pa ako mag-English. Pero, hindi ko po alam yung English ng iba. Iba English. Okay. Okay, guys. We're done to make a bracelet. You want to vlog this? I want to vlog naman na is the vlog in the English because my old vlog the first is Tagalog. I'm not English noon. Hindi naman po lahat nakakapag-English o nakakaintindi sa Tagalog. Kaya kailangan natin mag-English, guys. Okay. She's done, guys. This is the bracelet na nagawa natin. This is the first. Yan, ganyan siya kaliit. Tapos ito yung sinalabasan ng isa. Red. Para yung matin natin ng baby, guys. Baby. Baby. Wait! Ano natin? Gagawa pa tayo, guys. Comment tayo kung gusto nyo anong color at pangalan na magpangalan kayo dyan. Baka gusto nyo din. What you want? Kung you want, guys. Because I'm gonna make a bracelet. I'm gonna make a bracelet with the blue or purple and blue purple only. I don't know kung blue or purple. Okay guys, ganito kahaba as in. I'm sure guys. I'm back, but it's raining. It's raining, guys. It's cold, not hot today. It's not hot today, it's cold. But it's raining. We need a bee or bee. Bee. Yes. Okay. Nakagawa na tayong gumagawa po tayo ng bracelet with the BTS as in I'm a army, not in a hyphen. When I'm eating in a pizza. This is my baby sister. She's crying kanina. Okay ka na? Wow! Vlog. Oh my god, ang init guys. Mukha tayo nita. Ano? Kain mo tayo guys. We're gonna eat. Bigyan stop na. Bye-bye! This vlog na to. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! For watching, please like and subscribe!